We'll guide you through how to fix YouTube not signing in on a smart TV. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. This problem's annoying as you're then unable to go and use your account and get your recommendations, etc. First of all, I just want to run you through the different methods to make sure you are doing them correctly, as that may be why it's not working. So for the first option, you can go and open up the camera app on your device. You need to go to the settings in the top left and make sure scan QR codes is switched on. Then you can go and scan the QR code. It should go and pop up on your screen and you can click on it. Then the YouTube will open up and you can go and press continue and sign in. Alternatively, open up a web browser. We need to go and type in yte.be/activate. You then need to go and enter the code displayed, which is at the bottom right. Press continue in the bottom right. Then what we can do is we can go and sign into Chrome, or you can go and sign in here. If that still doesn't work, then you can always go and sign in with your remote. So you can go and select that there and click on it. And what you can then do is manually go and type in your account. After you've entered your password, you can press next and sign in. If that hasn't solved it, go and press the home button on your remote. You need to then go and tap to the top right and select the settings. Scroll down and select apps. Go and select YouTube, select force stop, and confirm your decision. Now you want to go down and press clear data, confirm your decision. Then what we can try doing is opening it up again. Go to the start of the video again and go through the different methods you can use. Hopefully now you've managed to go and sign in.